Hello, my friends. I am Mr. Brown. Today we're going to learn about the different types of weather.
What are the different types of weather?
Sunny,
Sunny. The sun is shining.
rainy,
Rainy. It's raining outside.
cloudy,
Cloudy. The sky is full of clouds. Windy.
windy,
Hold your umbrella. It's windy.
partly cloudy,
Partly cloudy. There are some clouds in the sky.
thunderstorm,
Thunderstorm. There's thunder and lightning.
lightning,
Lightning. Look! A flash of lightning!
snowy,
Snowy. It's snowing!
foggy,
Foggy. I can't see clearly. It's foggy.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please share, like, and subscribe.